In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. Duplicating a page is really useful when you've already designed a layout you like and want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you have a standard services page, a weekly lesson template, or a product layout that you want to repeat. Instead of copying and pasting each element, you can just duplicate the whole page and make small edits from there. First, go to your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, then open the site you want to work on. You should see the Google Sites editor with your page in the main area and a panel on the right-hand side. Next, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the tab labeled Pages. This tab shows you the structure of your site, including the homepage and any subpages you've created. If you don't see it, check that you're not still on the Insert or Themes tab. Simply click Pages to switch over. Once you're in the Pages panel, find the page you want to duplicate. Move your mouse over that page name and you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to it. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a list of actions you can take for that page. From the menu that appears, click on Duplicate Page. Google Sites will open a small pop-up window asking for some details about the new page. This is where you decide what to call the copy. Click into the name field in that window and type the name you want for your newly duplicated page. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily tell it apart from the original later. For example, if your original page is called Services, you might name the duplicate Services Template or Services Version 2. This name is what will appear in your pages list and often in your site navigation, so it's worth a moment to get it right. When you're happy with the name, click on Done. Google Sites will create the duplicate and add it to your list of pages. You can now click on that new page in the Pages panel to open it and start editing. All the content and layout from the original page will be there, ready for you to customize without affecting the original version.